chelation. What is chelation? Chelation is artery clearance therapy. What is the need for artery clearance therapy? In modern days, if you look at it, we are exposed to enormous amount of toxic load into the body because of our mere existence. By drinking water which comes in the lead pipes, we get lead poisoning. By inhaling the smoke from the cars and all the vehicles, you get heavy amount of lead. The smokers get cadmium when they smoke inside. And when we eat fish and a lot of other normal food, we get mercury. And there are a lot of food products which also contains a lot of heavy metals, including arsenic. All these heavy metals are highly injurious to the body. What it does is it goes and creates a very chronic inflammation into the endothelium, that is the inner lining of the blood vessels, and produce inflammation leading on to accumulation of platelets and the fat, what we call as the cholesterol, which over a period of time gradually grow and occlude the arteries. When the arteries get occluded, what happens is the blood supply gets reduced. When the blood supply gets reduced, the end organ gets damaged. So the cause of end organ damage, let's say for example heart, the brain, the kidneys and many other internal organs, all are because of indirectly due to the heavy metal poisoning. So how to remove the heavy metals? It's not that simple. Just a simple detox cannot happen. That's why we do what is called as chelation, using multiple safer established amino acid type of material or chemicals, sending into our body through a IV drip over a period of 2 to 3 hours slowly. Thereby it creates a dredging effect and the blocked arteries are opened up and the blood flow is restored. In many conditions, especially extremely effective in conditions like coronary artery disease. The coronary artery disease is mainly because of blockages due to accumulation of lipids, that is the cholesterol deposits inside. And this cholesterol deposit does not happen just like that, because it is because of the effect of the endothelial inflammation, which is because of the heavy metal poisoning. And not only that, it produces thickening of the arteries so that there is less flexibility, or the arteries fail to expand when the blood is pumped into the system. This leads on to reduced blood supply. To make the arteries more contractile and more softer, we have to do a heavy metal detoxification, which is done by the chelation process. Chelation process is one of the safest method. All you need to do is just sit, relax in a couch or in a recliner. Just like taking any IV fluids, you take an IV fluid which contains the micronutrients and it's sent into the body over a period of 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and then just go back to normalcy and go and continue your normal day-to-day work. That's it. And if you do it as a course for 20 to 30 sessions at a weekly interval, this can cure many of the so-called incurable diseases and prevent many complications and many chronic diseases, including hypertension, diabetes, chronic arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and Alzheimer's, and lot of diseases which are all because of reduced blood supply to the brain, which is an expression because of the heavy metal poisoning. So chelation is one of the simplest method and simplest answer to a very difficult to treat using conventional method treatment, and very safe also.